a clean winds today. No suds at all. I've just got bedding in today. Very clean. Usually it's very, very sudsy on this wash. I think it's because of the material of the clothing as well. That helps as well. And how much you put in. But to be honest, that's pretty cool, and it's quite high up with it being half load as well too today. And it's all on the synthetics. I did put it on the intenser wash today because if it does that, I knew it was going to sense a half load and it would cut its time in half as well, which I don't want because if I put it on a shorter wash, it'll only have about 35 minutes. But I need a thorough wash for bedding, so I had to put it on an intense on a 60 degree.